Had greyhound racing from this week, and of course back to Olympic Park. This time it was Tuesday night of last week with the Moomba festivities on Monday, and the meeting at Olympic Park held on Tuesday evening. In the first leg of the double, the favourite was Australian Cup finalist Bidigan, which came from box 2 and started at even money. Let's join our commentator Ron Hawkswell.
Racing this time, away fast near the inside was Turco Riley. Going quickly now, Bidigan near the inside from Rocky James, and Taranell is racing fourth out of the straight in trouble. Check to the outside with Sunstar as they travel down the back, and Turco Riley pressured by Bidigan the outside length and a half. Rocky James 4 lengths away to Taranell, Count Saxon, Sunstar and Swiss Alert, but off the back straight, and Bidigan stormed to the lead now. 2.5 to Rocky James, 3 lengths Taranell racing wide from Count Saxon. Bidigan the leader, Rocky James getting up on the inside. Bidigan wins. Bidigan, I'd say, about a half head. Rocky James flashing home Count Saxon 30.
In the second leg, the favourite Classic Gem from the yellow.
Away fast, Basmark's Image is the early leader by a length and a half. 2 on the outside, Dormant Force. Zachariah third on the fence, followed by Classic Gem taking closer order. 2 lengths away then came Koishan's Rack, Propulsion the rails. A couple of lengths to Tracer at the tail. Basmark's Image with 2 lengths out of the straight now from Zachariah, Dormant Force on the outside, and they were followed then by Classic Gem. Propulsion the fence, and then Koishan's Rack, and 4 lengths to Tracer. Down the back, and Zachariah the outside, swept to the front now from Basmark's Image. Propulsion coming quickly about 3 lengths away, then Koishan's Rack. Don't like the favourite Classic Gem. Tracer second last, and then Dormant Force, but Zachariah scooted clear. Wide out Tracer running on, but Zachariah scores 10 lengths. Tracer second, third probably Basmark's Image.
And the Olympic Park double from Tuesday night on 2 and 1 paid $10.65. At Sandown on Thursday evening in the second event, first leg of the double, Rumpus Pepper, the odds-on favourite from the red.
Racing Rumpus Pepper came out hard and fast on the inside as the early leader. Dedication checked after the start, and Sandrua down heavily into the back straight, and Rumpus Pepper kicked away about 3 in front. On the outside, Vibrant Black followed by Dedication. 2 lengths away then at the head of the others, Mushroom Girl, followed by National Poppy, and tailing out of Gwenda's King and Prairie Lad coming up the back, and the favourite clear Rumpus Pepper about 5 lengths out in front of Vibrant Black, followed by Dedication. Gwenda's King is well back into the straight down. Rumpus Pepper scores by about 6 lengths. On the outside, Mushroom Girl second, third is Dedication.
Winley Raider, the second leg favourite from the yellow.
Out wide away quickly was Born to Keep, and over on the inside, Smoky Hill. It's Born to Keep in front out of the straight from Smoky Hill. Currency Lass the outside, followed by Joyce Lynn down the back, and Born to Keep by a length and a half. Smoky Hill. Currency Lass third, struggling, followed by Joyce Lynn. Then came Memoriam, Miss Winley Raider well out of it. So 2 laps from National Corn off the back straight though, and Born to Keep streaked away about 2.5 to Smoky Hill. Getting to third now, Memoriam Miss on the inside, but Born to Keep is clear, and Born to Keep wins by about 3 or 4 lengths to Memoriam Miss. Smoky Hill third, Winley Raider flashed home the outside.
$11.30 the dividend at Sandown on Thursday for the numbers 1 and 6. 24 hours later on to Geelong in the first leg, race 2. Laser goes to the popular pick from the red.
Racing this time, Slow Dashes Flyer out in the centre, away smartly Idolulu. Going quickly now, Dashes a Flyer on the outside and caught out wide. G. Jason running to the back straight, and Dashes Flyer going quickly on the outside now and swept to the front from Idolulu. 2 lengths to Prime Diamond. Getting through the field now, G. Jason coming home hard. Then Perfect Chief followed by Linton's Fortuna and Digital Clock, but Dashes Flyer had a winning lead off the back straight at 6 lengths in front. G. Jason gets to second from Prime Diamond, Perfect Chief, but into the straight, and Dashes Flyer clear. G. Jason flying home, but Dashes Flyer by 2.5. Second is G. Jason, about 3 lengths to Prime Diamond. Racing.
This is Cranbourne from last night, and in the second leg, Star Treese, the favourite from the white.
Star Treese is starting to drive through in the centre, followed on the inside by Vanley Wonder out of the straight, and Vanley Wonder just in front. Star Treese looming up on the outside, followed by Wonder Rough. Behind them then came TV Western, followed by Black Apollo. Any change and back to the tail, Filmar Meadow Star. Off the back, it's Vanley Wonder just in front of Star Treese the outside. 5 lengths Black Apollo, the leader Vanley Wonder. Coming at it now on the outside of Star Treese, but Vanley Wonder is racing clear near the line. Vanley Wonder a length and a half. Star Treese second, 4 lengths Black Apollo third.
And that was the action from Cranbourne last night. 6 and 1 the double for a dividend of $6.60. Now that Laser Ghost, the favourite in the first leg of Geelong, has had a nice rest, let's see how it goes from box 1.
Racing, Laser Ghost came out fast on the inside, was heading for the outside, slow to begin Eskimo Flyer, and Scott Maddock, the leader. Laser Ghost early, going to second, Rocket Zell, about 2 or 3, dragged down from behind there, down out the back towards the tail, Scott Maddock, and also Concord Flyer and True Champ severely checked. The leader, Laser Ghost, being tackled on the outside by Rocket Zell, and they're clear now from the inside, then full ahead in the straight. Laser Ghost, the leader from Rocket Zell, and Laser Ghost wins. A length, Rocket Zell, about 5 lengths away, third Arnott Boy.
Second leg favourite, Davina's Hope, in the small field from the pink.
Star on the outside, Davina's Hope is going quickly too. Davina's Hope the outside and Leopard Star 3 lengths away, Effort Zell and Zachariah at the tail. They swing out of the straight, Leopard Star went wide, checking Davina's Hope and skittled Zachariah at the tail. All but fell and Effort Zell race through to take the lead now by 2.5 to Leopard Star, third Davina's Hope again making ground. 8 lengths to Zachariah, off the back the leader on the inside, Effort Zell. 1.5 Davina's Hope and Leopard Star, third 5 Zachariah. Travelling up the back and Effort Zell by 1.5 to Venus Hope the rails. Then came Leopard Star and back and behind them then Zachariah. Into the straight and Davina's Hope race through to take the lead. Down the outside, Zachariah flying home. It's got up, what a run. Zachariah the outside after being skilled on the first turn. Nailed Davina's Hope right on the wire.
Well, that was an unbelievable effort by Zachariah in the second leg of the double at Geelong, 1 and 2 for a dividend of $3 even. And that was greyhound racing from this week. We'll be back to take a look at harness racing from Moonee Valley on Friday night in just a moment.
What a pity.
7 National News.